Watch this spell! Oops, not again! This is so frustrating.
Let's make some magic! Whee! This is fun magic Fabra!
Do you want to join the AI crew? Hit subscribe button now.
Ever tried making AI animations but your character turns into a totally different person every scene? Yeah, me too, until I found this free Grok trick that keeps them 100% consistent, and it's super beginner friendly. Stay with me, I'll walk you through exactly how I make my characters stay the same every time. I am using this AI tool to create animation videos today's lessons. I've been creating around 15 to 30 clips per day on the free plan, but Grok doesn't seem to list any daily or monthly clip limits or credits like other AI tools do. If you've used the free plan, please share how many clips you could create. It will help other content creators considering the free version. Signing up is easy with email, Apple, or Google. We're using Grok Imagine to make our animated video clips, and it's pretty cool because it can handle both images and videos. Before we start, there's one quick setting we need to change so our animation prompt works properly. Just click your profile icon down in the bottom left corner, then go to Settings. Click on the Behavior, then scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see an option called Enable Automatic Video Generation. Go ahead and switch that off. We only turn this off because we're using an animation prompt. If you're turning an image into a video without any prompt, you can leave it on. But for what we're doing, switching it off stops Grok from creating random videos we don't need. Since the free plan has a limited number of clips, we don't want to burn any on videos we didn't mean to create. Let's start creating a video. Click the image icon in the command box. You'll see a list of aspect ratios you can choose from. The 16:9 ratio is perfect for landscape videos, like YouTube long-form content. The 9:16 ratio works best for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook portrait videos. Just pick the one that fits the style of content you're making. You'll also notice two creation options here, one for generating an image and one for generating a video. I'm going to start by creating an image with the characters and background, and then I'll turn that same image into a video. First, you need to create a character description and an animation prompt for each scene separately, whichever the content you are going to create. You can use ChatGPT to generate these animation prompts for your content idea. I'm going to use a prompt design for creating a kid's rhyme. Today, we're mainly focusing on animation techniques and keeping the characters consistent across all scenes. If you want to learn how to write the perfect prompt for the best animation results, check out the video in the description. Copy the character and scene descriptions from the animation prompt you created. Paste them into the command box in Grok, then click the upward arrow icon to generate the image. It should be ready in just a couple of seconds. Once the images load, pick the one that works best for your animation. Most of them will look very similar, with small differences in color, lighting, or details. For example, some images are with two pink kittens instead of one, so take a moment to choose the image that matches your story the closest. I'm going with this image. Just double-click it, and it'll bring you back to the main screen. Now switch over to the video option. Copy and paste the animation prompt for your first scene into the command box. Before you generate anything, make sure the aspect ratio is set correctly for the type of video you're making. If everything looks good, click the upward arrow to start creating the video. You'll see the video generation progress right on the screen. It usually takes about 1 or 2 minutes, but sometimes it finishes even faster. For this clip, it took around 40 seconds. Now the video clip is ready. Are you excited to see how it turned out? This is our first scene. I'm going to use the final frame of this video as the starting image for the next scene. That way, the next scene begins exactly where this one ends, and the final video will flow nicely when we put everything together. We need to pick a frame where both characters' features are clear. I want the bunny's backpack, the kitty's green bow, their eye colors, everything, to stay consistent. I'm choosing this frame because both the bunny and the kitty have their eyes open, and we can clearly see all the details we need. Right-click on the video and choose Save Video Frame As. This will save the selected frame as an image on your device. Make sure you remember which folder you save it in. Keeping your files organized really helps avoid mix-ups, especially when you're working with different content. Next, download the video clip for the first scene by clicking the downward arrow on the right side of the video. It will be saved to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder. Again, organize these video clips in separate folder if you like. Let's create the video clip for the second scene. Click Imagine on the left panel. Then select the plus icon in the command bar. Choose Edit Images. This will open the folder in your device. Find the folder where you saved the image from the first scene's video frame, then click Open. The image will upload to Grok for creating the next video clip. Return to your animation prompt file and copy the prompt for scene 2. Paste that prompt into the command box just like you did for the first scene. Click Create Video on the image to generate the second scene. Now that you've learned to create video clips, you may still run into a few issues as you make more. Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. If you use this image to create the next video, it won't give you the best output because Pink Kitty isn't fully visible. Choose a frame that includes both characters. If you can't get a good frame, upload another clear image of your character and create a combined image. Grok will generate a couple of images. Pick the best one. These are the clips I created using the same method. Comment below, how did your consistent characters video turned out? Here's the final result after editing all the video clips I created. If you want to learn how to create a kids rhyme this with music and lyrics, check out the video link in the description.